Hello everyone. Today here are some thoughts to boost yourself with their Hindi meanings. Moreover, you can get paragraphs, letters, stories and quotes by famous personalities. Now, let's start our small but valuable thoughts. Choose people that choose you. Life is an exam where the syllabus is unknown and question papers are not set. If you try to please everyone, you will please no one. It is impossible to lead your life for others' happiness. Sometimes God does not change your situation because He is trying to change your heart. Stop overthinking. You can't control everything. Let it go. Always remember that your present situation is not your final destination. The best is yet to come. God sometimes removes a person from your life for your protection. Don't run after them. It is easy to judge the mistakes of others, but very difficult to realize your own mistakes. Don't compare your life to others. There is no comparison between sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. Thank you.